In the lanes of justice, the High Court today halted the trial of lawyer Tom Ojienda of allegations of falsely obtaining money from Mumias Sugar Company. Justice Chacha Mwita granted orders barring the prosecution of Professor Ojienda pending hearing of the application on February 18th next year. According to the Director of Public Prosecution, the senior counsel issued a false fee note of 1.8 million shillings to Mumias Sugar Company Limited.
It was a reprieve for lawyer Tom Ojienda after he failed to take plea following a ruling by High Court Judge Chacha Mwita barring the prosecution of the embattled lawyer pending hearing of the application on February 18th next year.
Circumstances, there is need for this court to intervene and maintain the status quo pending the determination of the application and petition so that parties are left at par.
And what you're saying, this is a bad prosecution even before it starts. And we're going to show to the court that is dead on arrival.
Ojienda, through his lawyers, Professor Ben Sihanya, Nelson Harvey, and Senior Counsel Okongo Mogene, filed the application accusing the Director of Public Prosecution, Nurdin Haji, of abuse of his mandate by charging him on a contractual matter basis.
We close the year. Nurdin Haji is telling the people of Kenya that he is the law unto himself. That he can violate the rights of your petitioner who has been a former president of the Law Society of Kenya, who is the representative of the lawyers of this country in the Judicial Service Commission. My Lord, who is a senior counsel, by maliciously arresting him on a Friday and locking him up all through the weekend.
My Lord, this court and no other is uniquely placed to prevent what I can only call a DPP's office that has become constitutionally rogue.
In a quick rejoinder, however, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution through Senior Counsel Alexander Muteti argued that the court should not issue any barring orders as there was no material evidence to show the DPP is abusing his constitutional power.
My Lord, what you have been told is that the DPP is acting in abuse of power. My Lord, there is no material at all from what we have heard throughout the submissions by counsel. He is not abusing his power. And he has no intention whatsoever to do so.
The Director of Public Prosecution, Nurdin Haji, accuses Professor Ojienda of obtaining 1.8 million from the Mumias Sugar Company by false pretense through fake legal cases. Appeal Court Judge James Otieno Odek, who was connected to Mumias Sugar Company case, will no longer be investigated in the matter. In a statement released by the Director of Public Prosecution, Odek will be a key witness in the case. Senior Counsel Tom Ojienda was arrested on Friday last week and rushed to the Director of Criminal Investigation Headquarters for questioning. It was not until yesterday that Professor Ojienda was released from the police custody. Detective also proceeded to raid his office in Muidaga in search of documents linked to the case. Irene Mwangi, KUTV.